Welcome back to the O Show, everything crypto and NFTs every day. I'm your host with the most, WendyO, and we're going to be talking about the top Solana meme coins that are making people absolutely insane gains. The Sunday streams are always for Bitcoin Weekly Close. So we're going to talk about that. We're going to take some altcoin requests. I post a thread on Twitter. I'll let people comment. We'll go ahead and go through those together. I might not be able to chart it. I'm not going to be able to chart everything because there's like 900 replies. Yes, there might be some meme coins. Yes, there might be some risky things. So the stream is for entertainment purposes. If you guys decide to do whatever it is you want to do, that's your business. Okay. If I'm invested, I will let you know. If I'm interested, I will let you know. But you do not need to copy trade me. You do not need to do what I do. This is your life. You need to make decisions that make best sense for you and your family. Some risk management tips and tricks, disposable income. Understand that right now in the market, especially with a lot of these meme coins, most of them will go to zero. We advocate profit taking heavily. We also advocate understanding that a lot of the stuff can go to zero like that. Not your keys, not your coins. You don't want to leave coins on crypto exchanges unless you can take the risk. I have coins on like every single exchange ever, which is not recommended for anyone ever. No need to use leverage. If you're somebody who wants to use leverage, that's your business. But no need to use leverage unless you're an experienced trader. And if you're somebody who is using leverage, maybe 2 to 3 times max, and understand liquidation. So just be safe. And a lot of times sitting on your hands, no action is action. Okay, now with that being said, let's talk about what's going on in the market because people are making an insane amount of money. I'm seeing these things pump like crazy. It's absolutely ridiculous. And shout out to NFT NYC, SQUIDGROW. They are a platinum sponsor partner, and it's just going to be absolutely amazing. I'm going to be there. I'm going to be supporting them. Come say hi to me. Hello. Anyways, let's go in and get straight into what's going on. Okay, so this is the post from SQUIDGROW. But last night, Bitcoin was trading at $69,000 on a Saturday evening. That is absolutely insane. Like absolutely ridiculous. Insane. Okay. Insane. Absolutely insane. So we'll talk about that in a little bit. We're of course going to cover Bitcoin. And the interesting thing about Bitcoin being trading at $69,000 on a Saturday evening is that now because we have the Bitcoin spot ETFs, guess what? We're essentially front running traditional finance because they can't participate and do anything until market opens, which is interesting because you don't need Bitcoin spot ETF to participate in crypto. But if you do, that's your business. Now, I want to get back to these Solana meme coins. Okay. So Ryan went ahead and posted this. The Solana meme coin market is $7 billion today, 10% of the total entire crypto market cap, and offers an order of magnitude better trading and onboarding UX, Phantom, Backpack, Dex, Screener, trading integration, tiny fees, very fast. Difference between promoting junk and putting things in this is context. And he's 100% right, okay? He is 100% right here. Let's talk about this. So when we talk about Solana is very easy to use. And it is very easy to use because of Phantom Wallet primarily. A Phantom Wallet is basically MetaMask, but for Solana. One of the things I will say with Solana is if you're moving funds over or bridging funds or swapping them or whatever it is, or really just a bridging funds over, that does take a while. And with Ethereum, you can actually increase the gas fees to push the transaction through faster. Solana doesn't do that. So the network does get congested, but that doesn't mean that you still can't do well there. And with that being said, when we're talking about meme coins, we're talking about Phantom Wallet, it is super easy to use, like very, very easy. I do all different types of stuff there. Like you can access from Phantom, you can access MetaMask, you can access Ethereum, Solana, and Polygon. And it's just super easy to do anything there. And it's actually right up TikTok's Crypto Talks alley, primarily because a lot of the other aspects in crypto, they're complex. And you guys did very well using MetaMask last cycle. Again, MetaMask is not cold storage, okay? And but you do need to practice risk management. So we're seeing like an insane amount of meme coins being created on Solana. A lot of people are making insane amount of money, like with WIF and Bonk, that type of stuff, okay? With that type of stuff. Now that being said, I want to firstly, if you guys have requests, go ahead and put it in the chat. I would appreciate that because that will help me. And then we'll go ahead and take a look at Twitter. We'll do all of the things. We will do all of the things over there. Okay. Sorry. I'm pulling stuff. I'm getting hit from every single angle possible. So bear with me. I'm just pulling my things up because we're getting additional information here. All right, now, we're ready. Yes. Oh my God. I can't wait to show you guys that. All right, first let's start taking a look at crypto bubbles and see where we're at over here. Gala is up 45.2%. Hex is up 25.1%. Shout out to the Hexicans. I'm going to take a minute here to gloat about Gala because throughout the entire bear market, I ran my founders nodes. I told you guys that's what I did, and I didn't sell. And this is the perfect example of a moon bag. With Gala, I got in very, very early. I made a moon bag pretty early on. I didn't sell the top, but I was pulling profit on the way to the top. I didn't sell profit on towards the very, very top, though. It just didn't happen. But this is why we moon bag. And you remove your initial investment and you remove profit enough to pay taxes, and the rest you have is free and clear. And the reason why I did that is because I wanted to be out of this completely risk-free. Okay. And I believed in the ecosystem. I had mass conviction in what they were building, what they're doing. I still do, despite all the drama and the lawsuits and the influencer bashing and whatnot. I think that they've got a great, great product that they're offering in Gala games, film, and music, primarily music. That's my hill. And that's what we did. And I'm running the nodes and I'm making money. Then this is why we moonbag. This is absolutely why we moonbag. And I got a lot of heat from people, and that's fine. But that's what I did. I do want to take a look. We are going to take a look at Gala right now, just because I have to gloat. But it's something we've been talking about on the channel since the very, very early days. And, I'm invested and I've partnered with them in the past. But this is what the Gala daily chart looks like here. Okay. We got a swing wick high to 8 cents. This breakout is absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. This is what we want to see. Now, if we zoom out though, and we take a look at the chart, we are still close to the bottom. Okay. During the bear market, Gala dropped to like 1 cent. Okay. 1 cent. With that being said, we're currently testing the EMA 100 here. And the next area of resistance is going to be about 18 cents. Do I think Gala can break $1? Do I think it could go back up to 84 cents? Possibly, especially now with their burning. I think that we do have a chance to do that, especially with a lot of the things they're building. And if you haven't paid attention to the Gala ecosystems like film and music and even the gaming, it's something you should take a look at. I'm not telling you to buy now. I'm up in profit, but this price action is phenomenal. We will get corrections. We will get volatility along the way. I do want to take a minute to look at the 3-day chart because we can see some additional areas of support and resistance. Next will be about 12 cents if we do continue to run. But I'm feeling very, very happy. Also too with Matic. Matic is up. This is another one of my big moon bags. We are trading above $1 finally. Next target is going to be about where's the daily? Next target is going to be about, we'll move this up a little bit here, about 151. And I think Matic is going to do incredibly well also. I got some ApeCoin. This one is not doing as well as I would like it to, but that's okay. I'm taking a look at Ethereum. Ethereum is currently testing $3,900. Once we get above that, my next target is going to be about $4,300. Yes, there will be pullbacks. And the way that I like to gauge pullbacks in these particular markets, and also guys, make sure you smash the like. That helps support me in the channel. If you're on TikTok and you cannot see the screen, you need to head over to YouTube and make sure you are subscribed to the channel. Now taking a look at Ethereum. And any of these coins, one of what I like to do is this is why I like to use EMAs in bull markets, because it really shows you easily where support is. Yes, we do have all these additional levels for previous price action, but we're talking about pullbacks. You can spot trends here. With Ethereum, since the 5th of February, we have been bouncing on the EMA 9 on our way up. Yes, we did have a volatile day over here, the 6th of March. But that's okay. Sometimes you do break trends. But other than that, with Ethereum, I anticipate pullbacks along the EMA 9 on our way up. And again, I did a video yesterday for you guys talking about Ethereum. I hold a lot of Ethereum. I'm biased. I want to see $10,000 Ethereum, and fingers crossed that we get that ETF approved, even though the SEC is kind of leaning. It's looking like we're not going to at this time, but hopefully something changes. Fingers crossed. So I'm excited with my Ethereum. Let me check the YouTube chat. Shout out to Rags to Riches. Rags to Riches is officially an O Show member. We appreciate you. Thank you so much. We got some other coins, some low caps we're going to talk about. Gamer says Phantom Wallet also allows you to buy your stablecoin directly through the wallet, which eliminates the need to use a centralized exchange. And that's absolutely amazing. One of the reasons why we like that. Good morning to Mo. Mo is another member of the O Army, and shout out to Queen. But one of the reasons why we like that is because and shout out to Servando. Thank you so much for being a member of the channel. One of the reasons why we like that is because centralized exchanges, they're an important part of the ecosystem, but at the same time, it's just like a mess. Like Coinbase was supposed to be like the gold standard, and they went down like 3 or 4 times, which is crazy because they let go like 20% of their staff less than a year ago. And it's absolutely insane. But at the same time, it's just like the traditional financial industry. You can't trust, you don't trust, you got to verify first. But anyways, this is what's going on with Ethereum. And I want to take a quick look at Solana, and then we're going to go into Bitcoin and we'll take a look at some alts. Okay. So this is Solana over here. She broke above 138, which is our area of resistance. I'm taking a look at the chart, Let's see. We have this area. This is actually a range over here. Okay. This is actually a range. Let's go and draw the rectangle. There. Okay. So this is going to be the range over here for Solana, the next target. And to me, the next target is going to be about 161 before we hit 175. I use the 3-day to determine this. Okay. Now let's go ahead and reset our chart and take a look at what we see. This is the weekly, and Solana is looking incredibly bullish, and it followed the bullish trajectory all the way up. And that's because everybody is a savant in the bull market. It's easy to make money here. Okay. I'm now taking a look at the daily over here. We are hitting resistance at about 150, which makes sense. But I do think we will continue to rock up with Solana. When we've had pullbacks on the daily, we have moved down to about 115, or excuse me, the EMA 50 over here, which is the light line. So if we do get a pullback, that's maybe where you would consider looking to set entries to enter. But now I do want to take a moment, take a look at the entire cryptocurrency market cap, including Bitcoin. We're sitting at $2.54 trillion. And just Bitcoin alone, or excuse me, just the altcoins alone, everything excluding Bitcoin, $1.17 trillion here. Fantastic. Now let's go ahead and take a look at Bitcoin, and then we will take a look at some crazy altcoins. Okay. And I appreciate you guys being here. Make sure you smash like. Shout out to Ryan. Ryan is a member of the O Army. I appreciate it. You get a special cute little badge. Shout out to Mike. Shout out to everybody that's up in here. Yeah, we're going to talk about that one because SQUIDGROW is pumping, and I'm feeling very vindicated in that. We also have a moon bag of SQUIDGROW, and I'm extremely vindicated with that because it's pumping. Okay. And not only just because it's pumping, like I talk about SQUIDGROW a lot. They're a partner of the channel. I've got a big moon bag of them. But the reason why is we have Silent Swap, and we actually have utilities. We got the NFT marketplace. We have the DEX. We have Silent Swap, which is incredibly important. If you value your privacy, you should value your privacy. Always, like if somebody was to walk up to you and like, hey, can I see how much money you have in your wallet? You would get upset. You should treat crypto the same way. And Fort Knox, we've got all these awesome things. So it's exciting to see when your moon bags and your long-term plays are paying off. And I know some people are like, well, Wendy, diamond hand, blah, 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 blah. I don't diamond hand things. I make moon bags. And the reason why I make moon bags is just because like I have full faith in a lot of the projects that I'm holding. But at the same time, I'm here to make as much money as ethically as possible. And you all should kind of feel the same way. And just because you support a project doesn't mean you need to have diamond hands. You should want to make money here. And it will make you a stronger community member if you practice risk management. It has to be on your terms. I'm going to post a video explaining. There was a clip that I did on one of the streams. It's like a 4-minute clip. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for making it rain. Thank you. Thank you, Serge. I appreciate it. Thank you. But it's a 4-minute clip, and I'm going to post it as a video, and it talks about the different tiers of altcoin. It talks about meme coins, pre-sales, altcoins, Bitcoin and Ethereum, how to consider taking profit on those types of different assets in the space. And again, I don't tell you guys when to take profit. I encourage you to do that for yourself. Because if you're not doing that for yourself, then you're not going to do well in the industry. Because there's just so much going on. I don't have time to look at everything. I've got a small team. We do the best that we can. But anyways, we'll talk about that. I know I'm the most boring crypto YouTuber ever, because I'm not just like moon. I want you guys to think for yourself. Okay. Anyways, let's take a look at Miss B. We're going to go ahead, get us a nice, fresh, naked chart, remove our drawing tools. All right. Taking a look at the weekly, and pull that up right there. MACD looks beautiful. Market CIPHER looks gorgeous. And we're currently trading above all-time high, which occurred on November 8th, 2021. Excuse me, the week of that. All right. We're seeing that price action, and that is insane. I'm also hearing a lot of people talk about Bitcoin hitting like $100,000 15 days after the halving because of the bullish price action. I wouldn't be surprised. Another couple things we need to discuss about Bitcoin's price action. Yes, we're breaking the 4-year cycle mold, but at the same time, there's a lot of world events that we do need to pay attention to. High inflation rates, another banking contagion, and March 11th, there's going to be a lot of stuff going on with the banks because they have loaned out such a ridiculous amount of money, primarily auto, student loans, credit cards, because people can't afford to live. So those are some things that we do need to take into account. I don't know how they're going to impact the crypto markets, but at the same time, it is important to educate yourself on that, okay? So I want you guys to educate yourself on that and understand the risks, even if it's just with Bitcoin, okay? That's why we talk about disposable income. Now, with that being said, I know I'm the least sexy YouTuber ever because I talk about freaking risk management. Okay. All right. So that was the all-time high for Bitcoin at about $69,000. Again, these are going to be all approximates. We don't do on the penny because it's just ridiculous to do that. I'm going to go ahead and change this to, let's go and change this to purple because purple's cute. Okay. Now we got a swing with high of $70,000. It looks like approximately. Okay. Yeah. $70,200. And this is on Coinbase. Each exchange you use, the price is going to be different because of the spreads, the market makers, the liquidity, etc. So please also consider that as well, or when you are doing stuff on the thing of the thing. Okay. And I also need to get into Gate and see if my AKT bag, if I can get access to it. I don't know what happened. I got locked out. So anyways, so this candle is incredibly bullish for Bitcoin. Wendy, why is incredibly bullish for Bitcoin? Well, we got a swing wick high at about $70,200. We got a swing wick low to $59,300. We opened here at $63,000 and we're currently trading around $69,000 at the top over here. The reason why this candle on the weekly is so bullish to me is I do think that we will probably close above 65,000, which is an important area of resistance and support that you can see back over here that occurred on the weekly 15th November of 2021. And I'm going to denote that in purple too, so we can see the differences between the years. Now, just as long as we close above that, I'm incredibly bullish. But the fact that we get these swing wick lows and the bulls step in and they just push price up like nobody's business, that's bullish. That's price action that we want to see because that is indicating to me the bulls are here. They do not want price to go lower and they want to continue to push price up. And I know that's a very trivial way of explaining it, but at the same time, this channel is for everybody. It is not for experienced trader. Well, if you're an experienced trader, I'm happy that you're here with me, but this channel is for everybody. So I'm trying to break this down as easy as possible. And if I'm saying something that doesn't quite make sense, let me know in the comments. I will do my best to rephrase it to make it to where you understand that. Or if I get something wrong, let me know as well. I'm happy to do that. Also too, y'all need to smash the like. Y'all need to smash the like. Get the likes up. Get the likes up. We have 447 people here. Shout out to Paul. Paul is a member of the O Army. Shout out to Paul. Shout out, shout out. Risk management is hot. Yeah, baby. It is hot. It is hot, baby. Queen is here for the wealth transfer. Shout out to Mike, all my mods. You guys are awesome. My members. I'm super boring. Anyways, let's get back into it. We have almost 500 people in here. I only have 149 likes. Let's get up to at least 300. Come on. Historic times. They are. All right. I'm swapping my gains into XRP. Congratulations. I'm proud of you. All right. Now let's finish taking a look at Bitcoin and what we think she might be doing. Also, I have 2 ref links that are actually 3 ref links, but if you guys are interested in trading on CoinCatch or Femex, the ref links are down below. Read the terms of services, not your keys, not your coins. And most of you have no business using leverage. Okay. Get mad at me all you want. Don't care. I'm going to say it. And we also have a Coinbase ref link if you want. When you use my ref links, it supports me and the channel. That's how we pay payroll. Now let's take a look at the daily. Daily is looking absolutely gorgeous. Again, we have that nasty swing wick low that occurred to about $59,000. Ethereum had a very similar swing wick low as well. Where is it? That was on the 5th. Was this the one the 5th as well? Yeah, we had a lot of volatility in the market, so that checks out, which is totally fine. Okay. Now back to over here. With that being said, I expect pullbacks along the way to about $65,000 because as you look on the daily since February 5th of Monday, 2024, we've had pullbacks along the EMA 9. And this is why I like to use EMAs. It's basically a lazy way to trade in my opinion. But again, it works for me. Do what works for you. If it doesn't work for you, don't do it. We're hitting a little bit of resistance here at about $70,000, which makes sense because we're at all-time high. Please do not be a late longer. Don't do that. The 4-hour chart does indicate a potential pullback. On the 4-hour chart, we have seen moves down to the EMA 30. So again, 67 to about 65,000 for a pullback if we do in fact pull back. When that will happen, we will see alts get impacted. That's just what happens. But at the same time, we have a lot of meme coins that are just going insane. Now, taking a look at Bitcoin liquidations and crypto liquidations, this is important. In the last hour, it's mostly longs. Oh no, this is the 4-hour. Let's take a look at the hour. If we take a look at the last hour, you guys are being degenerates on Bybit, which makes sense. 77.4 were short and mostly longs were liquidated at this point. Anyways, be cautious, be safe. Most of you have no business using leverage, especially with altcoins. You guys are trading gala like freaking crazy on Binance. All right, now this is a meme coin that I am invested in. It is called snibbu, SNIBBU. I have no idea what this thing does. It's dumping now. I'm invested in it. I think we probably needed to take profit. I don't know. Anyways, this thing is correcting a bit. This is going to be on the 4-hour chart. The cool thing about DEX tools is if you haven't used it, you can see all that stuff. So yeah, we need to do something with it. We're dumping. So we'll see what happens. And I also invested in this cat coin. This cat coin is going bonkers. It's currently at 31 cents. I think we got in around, I think I talked about it last weekend. We got in around 6 cents. I don't remember. I have to take a look at my stuff, my trading investing journal. But in the last 24 hours, it is up 282%. Hold on. The market cap is 17 million. Liquidity is $403,000. Circulating supply approximately 54 million. Holders 4,700. 4,800. Total market cap 17 million. Trading volume 1.73 million. And again, this is going to give you really good stats. It's a great way to, when you decide to get into meme coins, you can take a look at all this stuff. It's called Kitten Hammer. But again, I'm invested in this as well. And we're going to go ahead and actually, no, one more that I have to gloat about. SQUIDGROW is pumping like crazy. This looks absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing. We're currently at 16 over here. And again, I've been holding this for quite some time, so it's nice to see my bags get vindicated. And I just got to gloat about this a little bit. And again, they're my partners and I hold coins. So we're always transparent about that. Let's go ahead and remove me. Take a look at the DEX score on SQUIDGROW. Just kind of something to gloat about. 99. Perfect score. Contract verified. No honeypot. 3% buy tax. 4% sell tax. So I don't know. Just something to gloat about. It's up 15% in the last 24 hours. But anyways, yeah, just wanted to gloat a little bit. Now let's go ahead and take a look at some altcoin requests. 500 people watching, 222 likes. Khai, we called here 3 cents right after we bought. Yep, we did. So if you guys on the stream last week, we called, that's something we told you we were investing in. We did well. So I think it will continue to go up, but that's your business. How about Gala? I talked about Gala, dude. We are doing very well in Gala. Please okay, let's go ahead and do some altcoin requests for my beautiful people. Mike said smash the like, so listen to it. Good morning to John Legend. Stop grifting, smash the like. Queen knows. Yeah, we ethically grift on this channel. If you're brand new to the channel and you don't know what ethically grift means, I'm going to tell you why. I'm going to tell you what it means. All right, let's see. No joke, Fetch or Aptos. We'll take a look at Fetch. There was some nasty news about Fetch, but it worked out. Coco Inu. Is that what it's called? I'm going to call it that. COQ INO. Okay. Inu. Egld. Somebody asking for Egld. Long time follower, first time commander. Look, ISP. I'll take a look. I don't know. Somebody said why. ISP. I'll do the best I can to get through these, you guys. Okay. Let's talk about ethically grifting really quick so y'all know if you're brand new to the channel. So ethically grifting basically means you disclose everything. If you're invested, if you're profit taking, if you're partnered, if you're sponsored, whatever the deal is, you disclose. In addition to that, you are here to make as much money as ethically as possible. And that means that you hire good attorneys, you got a good CPA, you grift in the constraints of the law, because that's what all of the rich and elite people do. That is what all of the rich and the elite people do. So we want to work just like they do. It might be a little bit more expensive to get that good CPA or to get it illegal for setting up an entity to protect your capital. But guess what? Guess what? That's what the rich people do. And I pay a little bit of extra money for a CPA, but guess what? I save more money when I pay taxes, and I'm filing my taxes the proper way. I'm paying what I need to owe legally, and I'm using all of the tax loopholes, all of I'm grifting within the constraints of the law, and that's what everybody should consider doing. Everyone, we pay our taxes. If we need an extension, we do an extension, all of those things, okay? That's what y'all need to do. People want Pepe, so we'll take a look at Pepe. Okay. All right. Before we do that, I want to go through the this over here. This is Mr. T at the UFC fight over there. I do want to go through this little this thread over here on Twitter to kind of see what people are talking about. Okay, so Tremp and Bowden, we'll just look at it really quick. So apparently, these are Solana based tokens. There's yeah. If you guys are going to ape into any of this stuff, I think this is it. I don't even know. You need to find the correct contract addresses, because look, there's so many different things that are happening. I don't know what the heck this is or not. I don't know if this is the right one. This is not the right one. See, you got to be careful. Okay. But apparently somebody thought it was a good idea to make this is Tremp. This is the proper one because it's pumping, I believe. Again, don't trust me. You need to go fact check this yourself. It's currently trading at 44 cents, 42 cents. Look at the volatility here, 109%. But somebody thought it was funny to make a bunch of meme coins, Tremp, Bowden, etc. And I think it's awesome. I'm just pissed that I didn't get in on time. So those are what's going on. But let's get back to the thread and see what people are talking about. Okay. Hint, Gamer said here, Naka Games was a leader during the bear market. Those coins and tokens kept building through the bear market are typically the ones that thrive through the bull market. And Gamer is correct when we're talking about larger cap, things that are less risky. Okay. Things that are less risky. Somebody said smurfcat. We'll take a look at smurfcat because it's just ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous. Again, I own 2 smurf kitties, cats. I own them. So I guess smurfcat. Yeah, this guy right here. I think it's this one right here. Real smurfcat. Yeah, I don't know. There's just so many things. So this is smurfcat over here. Shout out to smurfcat. I've got their NFTs. Their NFTs are awesome. The reason why I like their NFTs is because a real artist really did them. And that's important. They're not the generative crap for the most part. All right, back to over here. Based Brett. Snek. We'll take a look at Snek. Somebody said duko. That's cute. That's me. That's cute. That's me. I don't know what Paladin AI is. Pork. More to I. What I don't know what this is. Bite. NRG. Shout out to NRG. One of the premium liquor. Oh, this is a premium liquor for Solana. Good for you guys. I don't drink liquor. I have a glass of wine every once in a great while with dinner because I'm a mama. Look how cute Pork is. We'll take a look at Pork, I think. I don't know if I should. We will. Beam. Shout out to Beam. All right. So lots of pork, lots of pepe, lots of pork. The cat. This is me running from you guys. Just kidding. I love you. Solana meme coins made. Someone early today made 63,000 on $3 worth of Solana wolf with balls. Good for you. Congratulations. Floki too, you guys. Floki's not really a meme coin. It's really not. It started out as one, but it's not. Shout out to the Floki team. You guys are TikTok loves Floki. You guys absolutely love Floki. Bobo. More Bobo. Mutai. Okay, that's what that is. Peng. Dodo. Garf. Oh, that's cute. All right. Cat. Nick. Okay, we're going to take a look at Nick. So apparently there's this dude, Nick, that's like going viral on Twitter. Good for him. I'm happy for him. But somebody made a coin out of him, I think. So I don't know. Anyways, let me check the YouTube chat, see what you guys want. You guys are going insane. I do pork. Pork your pork if you want to pork. I got porked last night. Thank you. Anyways, Pepe, Mina, Myra. We'll take a look at Myra. Myra's here. Okay, we got some. Let's go ahead and go some dumpster diving over here. do some dumpster diving. We did gala earlier. Shout out to Proppy. We have a partnership with them. We're going to be doing something cool with them next week. I'll give you more updated on it. Yeah, it was fantastic. I was very pleased. Anyways, let's take a look at myro. And again, you guys, I am just pulling these up. I don't necessarily have the correct contract addresses. You need to do your due diligence on that, okay? This stream is just for entertainment. So this is myro. All right, this is a 4-hour chart. She's getting a little bit of a dip, a little bit of a dippy dip. Let's actually we'll do 4-hour for this stuff because this one's got a little bit more price action. Yeah. So this is the 4-hour over here. She broke all-time high, which was at about 31 cents back over there. Okay. We are in an uptrend. We can just get our cute little line and see this. Support does need to hold about 31 cents, which makes sense because it coincides with the swing wick high that occurred on January 19th of 2024. Okay. So if we bounce here, I would expect a retest of about 37 cents. Where is this going to go all-time high? I have no idea. No idea any way, shape, or form. We've talked about how to use fibs to figure out where you're going to go with all-time high. I will show you on Bitcoin really, really quickly. I believe it is this chart. No, is it this one? Where did it go? Well, I don't know where it went. We'll go ahead and just do this. So this is Bitcoin. I'm going to show you guys how to, when you're in price discovery, I'm going to show you how to chart this, and you guys can use this with meme coins as well. This is what I do. I pulled from the wrong one. What I do is I pull from the top to the bottom. So about 70,000 to this low area over here. And that's why it gives you, hey, and this is what it gives you, all these additional levels, fibs at the top over here. Okay. Then what I do is I pull fibs again. I pull from this resistance area here that is at 89,000 down to this area here at about, which is current price at about $70,000. And then you get all these little resistance areas over there. I also like to put a little itty bitty line in between here at about 72,000. So basically it's a middle between this bottom and then 0.236. And then these would be my targets. And you guys can do that with meme coins as well. If you want to see the chart, head over to YouTube. So that's what I do to determine where things are going and why. So you guys can go ahead and do that. I'm not going to give you all-time high predictions with meme coins because I think that's irresponsible because I have no idea where this stuff is going to pump or where it's going to go to. Now somebody wants FET. So let's go ahead and take a look at FET on Binance. Again, FET went insane. This is an AI coin. I told you guys very early on, AI coins are going to go absolutely ridiculous. I did see SQUIDGROW and we gave them a shout out because we're currently up. It's another one of my large moon bags and I'm excited. And it could potentially be because of the partnership with NFT NYC. And I absolutely adore being partnered with them and I love everything that we are building. That's how you disclose, babies. Anyways, we talked about AI coins going absolutely bonkers over here, and that's exactly what we're doing. So with FET, at this point, what do? We can go ahead and pull the fib from $3.13 down to the local bottom at approximately, what was this? About 1 penny. And then you would want to pull your fibs again in here. Again, this is a very lazy way to do it. It works for me. This is what I enjoy to do. And then you can see additional target areas. So this is the weekly chart. This is going to need to cool down a little bit. Taking a look at the daily, it's already starting to cool down. So I would expect to pull back to around $2.46 if we've seen that happen previously since the run that started on Friday, 16th of February. So just be a little bit cautious over there. Okay. A little bit cautious over there. Somebody wanted Kokinu. I hope I said that correct. I don't know. We'll see. Type it in. I think that's Avalanche, no? And again, you guys, I apologize. There's so many freaking, there are so many different coins on, or so many different chains. I don't know if this is the right one. We'll take a look though. I think it is. This is the 4-hour. This thing has been around quite a bit of time. It launched in December. So this thing has broken all-time high. And again, we're in a cute little uptrend. You can draw, just do a cute little thing over here. This thing is getting ready to, if it sustains and we hold the line at approximately, I would say about, I don't like the way this looks, 0.048. Then I think that we will definitely retest and continue to climb up, and then you can do your fibs for your target in that area. But this is Cocoino. I have no idea what the heck this thing does. And again, over here, Pool Trader Joe, that's on Avalanche. It'll let you know the market cap. This is a pretty big market cap, and I'm hoping that my kitty coin gets to that, to 100 million. That would be amazing. And this thing is still going up. Yep, still going up. Anyways, let's take a look at egld. Somebody requested that. What are you guys' plans this weekend? What are you guys' plans? What are you guys' plans? My plan is to get my kid, and then we are going to go do some, we're going to go get brunch, and then we we'll get my kid, get my nephew, we're going to go do brunch, and then we'll probably go to do a park or something. Cat girl is been cooking curry? Congrats. I hope it's yummy. I hope it fills your tummy. Yummy tummy. I ate cheeses last night like a fat slob. So good. So good. Anyways, this is egld. This is another TikTok favorite. This thing's dumped like crazy. And I feel like this is a quality project too. And what sucks about this is like a lot of the quality projects are not going off. But we're literally waiting. So hopefully some of the money from meme coins goes into the quality projects because it just sucks. But anyways, with egld on the weekly, it doesn't look that great right now. Doesn't look that great. It's okay. It's not super fantastic. We do have resistance at about $82. This thing is priced so high though. I don't know why they do that. Taking a look at the daily, we are in an uptrend, but it's not crazy bullish. There's a lot of volatility over here. I'm just not excited about this price wise, really. I could be wrong and it completely could go off. That's fine. But if we just make a cute little trend line, there's just a lot of volatility. Like we're on the daily, the fact that we're having drama and heading back down to the EMA 200, I'm not super bullish on that. I'm more bullish on the other projects that I see pulling back on the EMA 9 or 21. That's just my opinion. I'm not saying anything bad about this. I see more opportunity elsewhere, but do what works for you. We're going to take a look at Y. I have no idea what this is. This is on Y Moon. I don't know. Y Moon. Someone said it was Solana. Is it on ETH? I don't know. We'll take a look. I don't know. Smash the like. Yeah, I don't know what this is. I don't know if it's the right one. I don't know. I probably would not get into it. I don't know. That's your guys' business. I don't know what the hell that is. ISP. I don't know what this is either. Ipsolink token. There's not a lot of liquidity here. I don't want to look at it. What storage do you use? Okay. Well, first off, don't be telling people how much money you have on the internet. Please delete that. Delete your comment. Yeah, delete your comment. I don't know how to do it. Ledger, Trezor, Arculus, Tangent, people like. Paper wallets are fantastic. Coinbase does have a Web3 wallet as well. You do need to do your due diligence on that. Let's take a look at Pepe, as that's a larger cap thing. Actually, I want to take a look at it really quick here. Okay, this is Pepe. There's the market cap is $3.57 billion with Pepe. Let's take a look. Take a look at it over here. I like Dex Tools. It's freaking awesome. Thank you for sending that to me, Raider, this morning. So this is Pepe. Would I buy Pepe now? I don't know. We called this move up, but not this move. That crazy. I expected it to go back up to 171. Okay. Anyways, remove drawings. Let's take a look at this bad boy. Okay, this is the daily. And again, you guys, I like the chart. It does look like we're going to be pulling back a little bit. That might not happen because it's a meme coin and it's ridiculous. But we've gotten pullbacks to the EMA 9. And the EMA 9 over here is 709. So that might be a potential entry for some people. I hope Gala, listen, people keep asking me, what is Gala's price prediction? Dudes, I have no idea where Gala is going. If it goes to $5, like I've heard people talk about that, I don't know if it's going to. Like, I think if we break all-time high and we trade at $1, that's a win for me. But if some are like $10 Gala, $5 Gala, if we get $5 Gala, you'll never see me again, okay? Never. I will disappear from the face of the earth. Just kidding. Anyways, though, but this is Pepe. Again, there's not really too much technical analysis I could do here. We're in price discovery. I showed you guys how to do that if this thing continues to rock up. So have fun with that. Byte is making people money. Good. Amazing. Shout out to Byte. I want to check the YouTube chat really quick, see what you awesome, beautiful people are doing, because it's been a minute. Shout out to Woody, $2 super chat. GRT. Yes, I have. I like GRT. I am bullish on it. I think it's fantastic. Smash a like, get more up. Myro contract address. I don't know what the Myro contract address is, so I'm going to show you guys how to find contract addresses. Okay, so hold up. Let me show you guys how to do that. Generally what you would do is you're going to go to coin. Oh my God. coin market cap. And then you can click on the token and you can see, well, oh my God, recently added Elizabeth, that tremp. Oh, I'm a top community account. I love it. There we are. That's me. I'm on CoinMarketCap. Would make my day if you tried vanish and reappear coin item magic trick in hands. Confuse me. I don't know what that means, but shout out to you. Okay. So if it's not listed on CoinMarketCap, what you do is then you would head over to Twitter. Okay. You would type in the project and it should pop up. And if it pops up, then you can start doing your due diligence on it. But remember, there might be multiple different accounts. So then you'll have to go over to Dex Screener and verify. But generally, the best way to find a project is on CoinMarketCap. And what you do, you can go, let's do Cat Girl. Cat Girl's pumping. People are excited about it, okay? So you go to Cat Girl. I'm going to go ahead and remove myself from the screen really quick so I can show you. You go to Cat Girl. And you can see all the information, the chart, the markets, the news about. The news is going to tell you if this is, what it is. Like you'll be able to verify. It'll pull up the different tweets over here, the cash tags. In addition, it'll tell you every single place it is listed. You could verify there. It's got the contract address, all that stuff. It lets you know who has been audited by, etc. At the same time, you do need to, after you get this information, then you need to fact check yourself. Okay. That's what you do. But I'm not going to give you guys contract addresses for anything. You're going to need to figure that out on your own, because if I make a mistake, then you're going to get wrecked, and we're not doing that, okay? We're not doing that. I don't know. I'm really into things that smell like roses, though. Let's take a look at snek, because people were requesting snek. Okay. All right, snek. I think this is the right one, and I thought snek was a Cardano coin. Let's see. I thought it was. I could be wrong, though. I feel like it was. Snek, I think it's this one over here. It is currently, hold on. I think this is the right one. Yeah, it's a Cardano coin. Okay. Let's go ahead and pull the contract address from CoinMarketCap, and then we're going to go ahead and dump it into Dex Tools and see what we got. Yeah, I don't think Dex Tools will pull that up. I forget which where you actually, I think we can trade it over here, or look at it over here on Coin or TradingView. Okay, this is the right one. MEXC. I don't want to do the wrapped one. Okay, so this is snek over here. Snek is a really popular meme coin, especially because it's a Cardano thing. So shout out to snek people. Now with snek, we get in pullbacks along the EMA 9 and sometimes down to the EMA 21. Right now, she is correcting. Market Cipher did print a red dot. But again, bull market doesn't always work out. But then on the 4 hour, we are seeing a bit of a pullback. So maybe look to about, look to the EMA 50 over here. And then maybe that's where you want to start entering, if that's what you want to do. I don't know. But it does look like we're going to have a potential pullback to about, to this area here, about 0.0018 to here at 0.0016. Okay. With snek. And then hopefully it goes to the moon. I don't know if it's going to go to the moon or not. Okay. All right. Let's take a look at duko. I have no idea what this is. This is another dumpster diver that we're getting into. We're looking at over here. So that's what I know. Based on Brett, seal with hat. Shout it out. Shout it out. We only have 319 likes. We have almost 600 people. We've got almost 200 in TikTok. So we need to get the likes up. Okay. Arbor Ope, which is better. Oh, we took a look at Myra already. We took a look at Myra's. Thank you so much for the 199 super chat from Will. Appreciate it. But we did take a look at Myra. Let's take a look at duko. I don't know what the hee-haw this is, but we'll get in the dumpster. Should sell Jasmine for gala. That is your personal business, what you want to do. I am not going to tell you how to do that. You need to figure that out. And I'm not saying that in a mean way. I'm just saying it. I don't know what your trading investing plan is. I don't know what the deal is. Yeah, I know I have a lot of impersonators. All my official handles are CryptoWendyO.com, and it's on my website, CryptoWendyO. But you need to figure out what y'all want to do with your investments. I can't tell you. I can't tell you that. If you want a financial advisor, you can contact Dame.io, or on my website. He's licensed financial advisor. He creates custom Bitcoin and crypto portfolios for people. He's a financial advisor. He's taken all the tests, licensed and registered. I'm not. That's all. I'm extremely bullish on Gala though. I have a moon bag. I'm running 3 founders nodes, 3 music nodes. Anyways, this is Duko on Sol. Don't know what the hee-haw this is. It's correcting. It's dropping down a little bit. So maybe we will go to 0.0017 and then pop up. But we found some support here at 0.0027. So I don't know. I have no idea. Don't know anything about this. Nothing at all. I don't know if there's a buy or sell tax. Market cap is currently $30 million, which is pretty high. In addition to that, it's a $10 billion supply. So, let's take a look at pork. I ate bacon yesterday. It was good. I love bacon. And I hope you guys porked somebody last night. Anyways, this is pork. It's going incredibly well, it looks like. Looks like we had a high over here at 0.069. And then we're correcting. We found support at about 0.064. So if we hold support, hopefully we can move upwards. But generally these, unless the project is going to rug or unless liquidity is moved or any of that type of stuff, generally these patterns, they're called descending wedgies. So they go and then they pop back up. And you can see that that kind of happened here. It had that dump and then it popped up and then the dump and it popped up. But again, you have to be cautious. Got to be cautious. So shout out to pork people. We're going to, yeah. Anyways, somebody said, look at myro, not myra. Okay. For the 199 super chat, I will. And then shout out to Francisco for the 99-cent super chat. Porking all day. I'm trying to get off the damn stream. I'm trying to. You mentioned Pepe once. While back, I gave it a chance. Thankful for your crypto space. Awesome. I'm happy that you made money. Please practice risk management. That makes me happy for you. That's awesome. I'm happy that you made money. I'm happy I mentioned something. I'm happy you did your due diligence and you're doing well. That's what it's all about. So myra and myro. So we'll take a look at myro. Okay. I just want to make sure. Myro, not myra. Okay. I'm on it, gamer. Yeah. And you guys, anything that I talk about on this stream, if I'm invested, I will tell you. In addition to that, in addition to that, not your keys, not your coins. How do I find that financial advisor you're talking about? Go to my website, CryptoWendyO.com. CryptoWendyO.com, dame.io. Okay. Anything we talk about, you need to do your due diligence on a lot of this. And this is the thing, you guys, I'm going to tell y'all something right now. I'm going to look at myro, but hold up. A lot of this stuff, they're meme coins. They're not going to be here next cycle. They might not even be here tomorrow. So if you are in meme coins, you need to consider, moon bags, taking profit, risk management. If you put some money in, consider it gone. 50-50 chance. Okay. So not your keys, not your coins, do your due diligence, all of those crazy things. Some of these might not be here literally tomorrow. Okay. That's your business though. That's your business. Any of the stuff I'm invested in, I'm telling you, the stream is for entertainment purposes. This is for the community. This is for people that are commenting, whatever. It's literally entertainment purposes. I don't have any thoughts on Bitcoin Cash. None at all. Let's take a quick look at myro. All right. So myro. Woo. So this is myro. Oh, myro. I think I did the wrong one. All right. So myro is holding support at 30 at about we have support at 31 cents that we tapped onto. Number went up to about 34 cents that we're currently trading. And just as long as we stay on the bullish trajectory upward, we will continue to go upward. But at the same time, be really cautious. Be very, very cautious. And you can pull I don't have the EMAs here, but I would probably use the EMAs on lower time frames. But that's what we're seeing with myro. Also, shout out to Francisco for the $3.99 super chat. Okay. Super chat. Look at I'm not looking at that. Anyways, you guys, I gotta go get my kid. It is Sunday. Really quick recap. I want to do Bitcoin really quick. Okay. This is probably the most important thing for you, Miss B. Okay. I want to go get my breakfast, go get my kids. All right. Lois spent the night at Nana's house and they made pizza they did a slumber party. Cause girl time's important with Nana. My mom is older too. So, I don't know how much longer we have with her. She's almost 70 and, it's important for my kid to spend time with her. And I hope my mom lives to be 90 because I'll lose my mind. Give it to yourself raw, baby. Oh yeah, baby. Anyways, this is Miss B. She is currently trading at $69,600. If we zoom out and we take a look at the weekly, I'll go ahead and reset the chart over here. This looks bullish. This looks fantastic. Just as long as we stay above 65.7. Just as long as we stay above 65.7, we're good to go. Okay, you're good to go. We're good to go. But profits are 5,000. Anyways, you guys, I gotta go see my kid. I gotta go. Sending you guys love and light. Thank you guys so much for watching. If there's anything interesting that happens, I'll go ahead and post later. But anyways, I will see. Thank you for the world. I'll see y'all later. Not financial advice, entertainment purposes only. Practice risk management, but have fun. Okay, love you. Okay, bye. Bye-bye. Thank you. Love you. Okay, bye. I just smacked the table.